Yeah, so today I guess what I am playing, which is kind of we're here. All right, so now we have started the quest. Oh look, there's Bunny, but wait, what is this? Guys, I'm gonna try to explore this one. So I wanna find out what's on this. My legs aren't moving, guys. The legs are seriously aren't moving. Hey, look, there is arrows. Let me try to go inside here. I wonder what is this. Let me try to look in this. Let's see what is inside this one. Wow! Isn't the range so driven? Kind of looks like it's like a hotel. It looks so cool, but we're still playing Venezuela. Hmm. Did anybody get the other rose? Striking? Hmm. I wonder what this leads to. Whoa! This looks. OMG! Bunny's funeral graveyard. Wait, what? OMG! OMG, boys! I get- Dude, you're just. Oh! What did I just do? What did I just do? Hey, don't worry. Game. Alright. Wait, guys. I'm gonna try something out. I'm gonna try to get the question mark ending. So, I know how to get it. So, the first thing you need to do is go upstairs and tap the T posing guy. Alright. There, let's go inside. Tap the T posing guy. There's 12, bunny. Alright guys, so first we need to go to the one so first you need to tap this dude. Look at this dude. Alright, now since I tapped this one, alright, so now we tap that one. We tap that guy. We're gonna go to the other. Alright, now so there. Are you kidding me? No! Oh guys, I wish I was in, single player where I can just be alone. Oh, hey, look, it's Bunny and Doggy. So cool. Wait. Wait, look. Buy a bunny plushie, in-game item only. Oh, but it's so cute. I wish I can. Wait. What if they have this in real life? Yeah, that would seriously be so cool. And so, hey, look. Wait, can I drop this? All right, guys, we are going in. Hello, bunny. Hey, Ghost Bunny. Boom, boom. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Oh. Alright. Book. Look, guys, the book. And guys, we gotta beware. Beware. Guys, we need to capture the book before Penny kills us. Hey, bunny. Hey, bunny. Hey, bunny. Hey, bunny. Oh, they're so dumb. They're so dumb. Money. I look the book. Look. Okay. You know what, guys? We're gonna do this in first person mode. I'm gonna do this in first person mode, alright? Now, if I was a book, where would I be? Ah, there. Money. Oh. Guys, this book is so tricky. Alright, this book is so tricky to get. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Come on. I'm triggered, guys. Come on. No! Are you kidding me, Penny? Penny, what's wrong with you? I thought we were best friends. Even you guys got a vacation, like they said. And you buy derpy derp. Alright. Shut up. Alright, I can't say that word. So, alright. Then we got the money, money, money. Alright, guys. So now we are going to go inside the game. Wait, what if we hop inside the hole of Bunny's funeral? Oh wait, he died. Alright, let's open up. Let's 12, Bunny. Alright, so we're gonna be reading some notes. We can find. Here we got this. Oh my goodness, they even drank a potion. Oh, that's so bad. Yeah. Oh, look, it's a cute bunny plushie. Wait, look, there's a note. There's a note. Wait, my daughter went missing after she went to school. Yeah, that's right. Right. Guys, look, these are the picture frames from, the bunny's game. Oh, look, there's Shadow Bunny. Alright. There's still more notes. Hmm. Yeah. What if there are more notes? Oh, wait. The rose. What? The what? I don't understand. I don't understand. What do you mean by the rose? The rose? Suspicious. Is there anything? Is there any hidden files? Alright. Is there anything hidden? No. Come on, please tell me, is there anything hidden? Right. Look, some paper files. Hey, I tested as well. I hope I didn't go wrong. Oh, wait, they left me. Alright, now we're gonna do the tricky part. Oh no! We lost it. Are you kidding me? Alright, let's wait. Oh no, there's Penny. I'll wait for the book to come here. Penny, what are you doing? Are you just gonna... Oh no. No, guys, help me. Penny, please don't. I'm your best friend, Penny. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? OMG. Also, guys, I have seen this one. The crazy dude. Yo, what's up, mate? How you doing? Hey, hello. I am just chilling around, just watching you guys escape. Well, that's good for you, man. Yes. Oh, wait a second. Oh, it's on the other side? Huh, right, that's good. Oh, yes. I am very good at doing this. I'm a pro at it. I'm a pro. I'm just watching you guys, but I can't escape because I just like to watch TV. Watching TV, man? Are you seriously want to watch TV? Yeah, but I can't go home yet. I have work with Mr. P. Okay. Hey guys, look, someone is triggered. Are you kidding me, guys? Come on, peeps. Give it to my best friend, Bunny. Alright, guys, give it to Bunny, my best friend. Yay, everybody loves Bunny as a best friend. Yeah, oh no. Yeah, oh wait, can you meet up with this guy? Hey, dude. Hey, what's up, man? Whoa, where are we going? The bright light, I can't see. Alright, now we're... Billy? Wait, oh, this is the mannequin. Wait, this is the mall map. Hey, look at the Billy. Hello, Billy. What you doing, my man? Wait. Whoa. This is so cool. Hey, guys. Oh, poor dude. Billy. Hey, can I even get it from here? Or... Hey, guys, don't go. Wait. Can you just, like... Yes. Come on, man. Come on, girl. Come on. Whatever your name is. Come on, give it to Bunny. We're gonna go. Alright. But yes, teleport. Wait. Where would oh, doggy? Is that doggy? Oh my goodness, guys. Molestia. Musindeyo. Why did I say that? Oh, I know this part. This is the boss battle. Alright, we have to, every time each level we got the orb gets even more. Oh, Wolfie! Oh no, Wolfie! Wait, is that Wolfie? Oh, Wolfie, you're so the best. Alright, guys, let's wait for the hopping space, and then we're gonna crush his head. We need to wait for the money. Guys! Uh, that hurt. Right. Come on, hit doggy's head. Doggy's head. Wait, where's the orb? The orb! Wait, dude, the orb! This is just the beginning. We're gonna go with this first person mode. You can't stop them! Doggy! Wait, doggy! Oh boy! Oh no, guys, this is gonna be more harder than I thought. But you know what? We're gonna do first person mode. Wait, a rose? Where did you? Oh no, red part. Guys, we need to run for it. Run, Freddy, run. Haha, noob. Wait, guys, I hope Wait. Oh no. Don't go near those. It's going on fire. Doggy, why you just raise your head like that? Wait, guys. Okay, alright. Alright, no noobs allowed in this game. Come on, hit doggy's head. Yes, alright, where's the other? Orb. Alright, good man. Green orb. Everybody, you're the worst nightmare had just begun. Why, thank you, because my name is Nightmare. Thank you very much. Oh wait, no, it's Sniper Bunny. Alright, everybody. Everybody be a pro? We gotta pro this. Oh, meba. Bombs! Oh no, this is getting even more harder. Oh no. Wait, guys. Oh no, the wind. Oh no. Oh wait, the car. Wait, where's the other car? I heard there. Wait, a rose? A green one? Dude, did you get the green one? Oh no, this is one of the hardest ones. Oh no. No. Oh, that was so close. I almost fell. Alright, guys. This is doggy. Please stop this. You don't need to do this, doggy. Is this what Bunny wants? Even though Bunny has a crush on you, though. What did you just say? Nothing. Alright, it's me and this dude. Man, we are such pros. Come on, dude, we can do this. Come on, boy. We can be the heroes. We can be the hero. Oh wait, dude. Come on, bang on his head. Hey, we get the orb. Red orb. Come on, dude, get it. Yes, come on, man. I have to vanish you. Doggy, please don't. We don't want to do this. Ah, no. Oh, no. Guys, this is hardcore mode. Oh, no, guys. We're in trouble. Double trouble. Guys, we're in double trouble, guys. Guys, I don't want to die. Come on, Nightmare Bonnie. He just left. Guys, you know what this means? Hardcore mode. Alright, guys, can we beat this? Guys, please subscribe if you want me to live. I know we can do this, guys. Alright, guys, I hope we can do this. This is hardcore mode. Alright, guys, we are doing this as a pro. Oh no, guys, there is a line right now. No, we just lost. No. Oh my. We just seriously lost. But don't worry, guys, we're still gonna do it. It's so hard to do it. Alright, guys. I need to win this. I need to get a badge. It says here on the right. So it says here. Hmm. My. Alright. Alright, we're still teleporting. Alright, guys, we are still gonna do this. Alright. Get ready, guys. We are so gonna win this. But, oh my goodness. Rest well, bunny. Alright. And let me just find some more notes that are still hidden. Yeah, I like notes. I like solving mysteries, like murderer mystery. Is there anything behind the TV? No. Right, we got Bunny. This one? Bunny's house. Hmm. Oh, Bunny. Why did Mr. P do this to you? 2016 to 2020. This is so sad. The bunny's gone. Everybody, get your roses down. I wonder what's this. I think we can find some things here, guys. Alright, guys. So we are. We found George. Why are you here? Please don't attack me, please. This is my hand. I won't attack you, George. Why are you here? LOL. I don't know. I'm just hiding. LOL. Are you kidding me, George? You're just hiding. Right, I'm gonna have this one. Just, you know anything about the? You know how to tell you ninja? I know a ninja is gonna slap you. Wait, hold up. Wait, guys, it's the scientist. How did he get here? Guys, look, it's the scientist. Hello, Mr. Scientist. Penny, you're just dumb. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna just win this. Guys, I still have the rose. Alright, guys, so first, the plank. Bunny, hey, please. Please. Hey. I'm gonna get the plank first. Hey, plank. Oh, are you kidding me? Hey, look, it's Scientist Bro's twin. Yo, mate. How's it going? I'm just still waiting here. I'm just stuck. Oh, really? Okay. Well, you do have a lot of fun. Oh, come on, man. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Hey. Wait, what? Bunny, here. I forgot to give you a rose. Why did you just put it inside my head? Hey, look, it's this dude. Hello, dude. Hello, my dude. Boom, boom. Hey, guys, go look. Guys, look, it's the dude. Hello, my dude. Hey, look, there's tall guy. Yep. Guys, I don't want to die. Alright? I wonder what is this? So. Whoa! Oh! I get it. LOL. Same. Guys, I wish I was in single player mode. Right, there are a lot of people. Please wait. Teleporting. Alright, man. Teleporting, please wait. Alright, we're gonna meet up with George again. Now, where is George? Alright, guys, we're gonna be meeting up with George. And also, these lights, they somehow get dead. Hey, guys, I'm just gonna meet up with George. Wait, does this dude wanna meet up with George? Oh, this dude just wants to meet up with George. Alright, I'll get the flower. Thank you. Goodbye. George, what are you doing here? This isn't safe. Come on. George, why aren't you going with us? Aren't you supposed to be helping us? Well, I gotta give this to Bunny. This is so sad. Also, guys, I heard there's a note here. Yeah, there was a note here. Yeah, but I wish I was in single player. If I only have Robux so I can buy a VIP server so I can just play it on my own. And nobody would join me. Yeah. Wait. Hey guys, it's triggered. Come on. Oh hey, no online dating. No online dating. Doogie! Hey guys, Penny's here. Penny, I'll give you this. Penny, please. Oh, Penny, no! Wait, how did you just attack me when I'm not near you? Alright guys, I think I'm gonna just bail. We're gonna do part 2 of this. Alright, see you guys later. I'll do a part 2 next time.